Real-world Tosca DI data validation tester. Real-time scenario-based Tosca DI interview questions and answers. Question 1. What is Tosca DI and how is it different from regular Tosca? Answer. Tosca DI, at data integrity, is a module in Tricentis Tosca designed for data validation across systems like databases, data warehouses, and ETL pipelines. Unlike regular Tosca, which is used mainly for UI and API testing, Tosca DI is focused on back-end validation, ensuring the data is correctly transformed and loaded across environments. Question 2. What are the key components in Tosca DI? Answer. A. Data source. Defines the source of the data, example, database, file, etc. B. Data mapping. Used to map fields between source and target. C. Data comparison. Validates whether the data from source and target matches. D. Reconciliation report. Generates detailed reports of mismatches. Question 3. What are different types of data comparison techniques used in Tosca DI? Answer. A. Row-by-row comparison. B. Aggregate comparison. C. Subset comparison. D. These help in identifying data mismatches, missing records, and transformation issues. Question 4. How do you handle data mismatch scenarios in Tosca DI? Answer. A. Use filtering and transformation logic to normalize data before comparison. B. Investigate source and target queries for transformation rules. C. Use Tosca logs and reconciliation reports to identify specific mismatches. D. Sometimes, differences may be due to truncation, rounding, data type. Changes adjust accordingly. Question 5. Have you worked with ETL tools alongside Tosca DI? Answer. Yes. Tosca DI is often used post-ETL to verify that the data is correctly loaded. We usually validate A. Record count. B. Data type consistency. C. Business logic transformations. D. Joins across tables or schemas. Question 6. What is your approach when validating millions of records between source and target systems? Answer. A. Use batch-wise validations or sampling methods. B. Implement filtering or where conditions. C. Use hashing techniques to compare large datasets efficiently. D. Ensure indexes and performance tuning of queries. Question 7. Explain how you can use Tosca DI for database to file comparison. Answer. A. Database. Configure as a source using SQL query. B. File. Define target using flat file or data source with schema. C. Use Tosca DI's data mapping to align fields. D. Apply necessary data type conversions. E. Perform comparison and generate mismatch reports. Question 8. How do you parameterize your queries in Tosca DI? Answer. Using test case parameters or test data service. Example. In SQL. Question 9. How do you manage different environments dev, QA, prod in Tosca DI? Answer. A. Use environment parameters to manage DB connections. B. Maintain separate execution lists for each environment. C. Use test configuration parameters, TCP, to switch contexts dynamically. Question 10. Have you integrated Tosca DI with CI/CD pipelines? Yes. Tosca DI test cases can be executed via Tosca Commander CLI or Tosca CI using Jenkins or Azure DevOps. We automate A. Triggering DI test cases. B. Exporting result reports. C. Notifying failures via email or dashboards. Stay connected for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.